Good morning from Stockport in England today. Just getting a runner past me here. Tony is already busy photographing. We are photographing this wonderful Mini, as you can see, minivan. But it's actually a very specific one, very special one, because it has a VTEC engine in the back.
From SuperFly Autos magazine, and we are live in Manchester, England. Carmen's behind the camera because obviously I can't hold it, and we're in a really cool small garage but with two mini cars that are just absolutely incredible. So we're with Matt and Chris, who have built what we have right next to me, this incredible classic Mini with a Honda engine, Type-R engine twice in the back, 200 plus horsepower. So we come spend a bit of time with them. Obviously a full photo shoot coming soon in a vlog. We wanted to go live to introduce you to this insane beast, and obviously then there's another one next to it we'll talk about after. But I want to take you guys to the back of the car because it is the most prime thing you'll ever see. So Carmen's going to award me to see if I don't fall over and make an arse of myself. But this is what drew us to this Mini in the first place. So if Carmen, you can just switch and just show the people. As you can see, Honda engine Type-R in the back. It's not something you see very, very often, and these guys just create something amazing. So we're going to have a bit of a chat with them and find out a little bit more about what's been done. But whilst you do that, let's have a little closer look at what's been done inside. As you can see, it's been a clean job, beautifully done. Obviously a lot of influence from their father because he's been into hot rodding since he was young. And these guys just got these Minis, and this being one of them. And this thing's insane, and we'll have videos for you of running on the road. We did a few rolling shots a few moments back, so you'll be able to see and hear it. It's incredible. Plus we'll fire this one up as well at some point. But we're going to go speak to the chaps now. So guys, thank you for inviting us. This is insane. So a Mini and a Honda engine in the back. So first off, where did you get this? I mean, was it an original Mini as it was? What kind of condition was it in before you did this?
Yeah, it was bog standard off eBay.
Okay. How much did you buy it for on eBay?
I think it was
£1,100. £1,100, so probably about $1,500 in US dollars. Okay.
2 shortfalls of rust and a couple of bumpers.
Yeah,
pretty much.
So you bought it for the reason of this, or did you buy it for another reason, and then this is what came about?
It was to use all the parts off this one that we've not
Right.
used. I'm just going to build another one using them spare parts, and then it just went stupid.
So where did the idea? I know. I'm just going to put a Honda engine in the back of this. Where did that come from?
Well, I did an apprenticeship, so I come out of my time, qualified, and then pay rise, and then
You can't do this without doing that. You can't do this without doing that, and it
just
went
spend
stupid.
it.
Yeah.
And so you decided a Honda engine Type-R was going to be what was going to power this. That was
Apparently, it had not been done.
not
So
been
it was the
done.
first. It was
Okay.
the first in rear engine van.
Because this was built, you were telling me today, 4 years back, right? Roughly.
It was finished 4 years.
Finished
back.
4 years back.
Yeah, so
And
it
you
started 2009,
flipping heck.
May
Okay.
2009.
And where did you get the engine from? Was it from like a damaged Honda Civic?
Yeah, well, ZCars supplied it, but it was out of a damaged Civic.
So it was built right here in this garage.
Yeah,
And yes, you both together working on this. How was it built? Was it with your father as well?
my dad did all the paint prep.
Okay.
I did most of the chopping up with the cosmic cutter and
Awesome.
playing about, making stuff. But yeah, it's been a giggle.
Awesome. Well, before we do anything with the back and the engine and turn it on so you guys can listen, we need to show you inside because the dashboard and the seats are equally as incredible. So you turned on a minute ago. I don't know if you want to, if you come this way, or maybe do you want to turn it on from the other side? I'll hold the door so you guys can see. But hopefully you guys can get a feel of the inside.
Just wanted to say big shout out to Turkey and Finland who just joined us.
Oh, awesome, guys. Welcome to the live from England. Welcome, guys. Check out the dashboard.
Yay.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool, actually. And the whole dashboard is carbon fibre as well.
Yep.
Something you guys built, you created yourself?
No, bought that. The door cards,
Yep.
they're carbon as well. That was just a big sheet we got, so we cut them.
Okay. And I don't know if you want to show them the seats. I don't know how easy you
I
can get
just
in.
did,
But
but
these
once
seats
more.
are crazy. I mean, you told us this is comfy as hell to sit in and drive. You
I
guys
can-
can go out there.
I can confirm.
Oh, yeah, you drove.
I
in
can
there,
confirm. I sat in it. I drove with, and it's really comfy.
So where did you get them from?
An online purchase, a late online purchase.
Okay, and you said something about they were both left.
Yeah, they're both left-handed seats.
Okay.
So the right-hand wing comes round more.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
You
Okay,
can
yeah,
actually see it.
So we trimmed. Where you can see.
They are coming in.
Yeah. So this has been reshaped to make them equal.
That's
So
awesome.
it didn't look lopsided.
I mean, you don't see these seats very often in custom cars, and this, I mean, and they don't look comfy, but you guys confirm it is really comfortable.
It
so-
is actually.
Yeah, once you're in,
Yeah.
it's not.
It
it's not
it
very
takes a bit
elegant.
to get in. That's true.
It's
I
not very elegant
I
to get
confirm.
out.
Yeah, you won't get out with it in a dress.
no, not you won't get in or out in a dress.
I'm pretty sure a few people probably want to hear this. I'm sure you guys probably want to hear what this sounds like.
Do you actually want to hear it? Anybody on here on the live?
pretty
Do you
sure you
really
guys
want to
do.
hear it? Let me know.
I mean, we'll
Heart it.
Yes, and plus we'll also send videos out on Facebook where we'll show you driving shots as well. But maybe we want to turn this on so you guys can hear this. It sounds literally like a motorcycle engine. You know, it's just absolutely crazy. I mean, the Type-R engine itself is amazing engine. So, do you want it open as well, or do you want it closed? What do you guys think? Oh, you got the lights on too, right?
Yeah, you can have it open if you want it open.
Yeah, if that's okay, it'd be nice to just.
All of the lights off.
Oh, hello to Indonesia as well. Hi, Yorkie.
Yeah, welcome guys. Well, I don't know how dark it's going to get if you turn the lights on, but yeah, go for it. Yeah. Okay, we turn the lights on, fit matters atmosphere. Here we go. That sounds really nice to me. Obviously the VTEC hasn't kicked in, we're not rolling. That sounds great. Oh my god. Lots of views. Oh yeah. Wow, that sounds really nice. Like I say, we got some videos, so we'll show you the car rolling at some point. That's fantastic. Incredible, guys. And the front as well. Do you want to show us a little bit what's happening around the front end? Love the arches, by the way, carbon fibre arches. Love that's a nice touch. And the wheels, what size are the wheels? It's 13s.
13 by 7, yeah.
13 by 7, front and back.
Yep.
Yep. The lift up. That's very cool. Radiator at the front, everything. That's amazing. You said about, if I remember right, this pipe in here. Before there was something different or something about it.
Yeah, that was. This was a flexi. The filler pipe.
Yep.
Was a flexi pipe. But
Okay.
it kept sagging.
I see.
So that's why it doesn't quite line up, because it got
Okay.
changed after it was painted.
Gotcha. It's a really beautiful job. Everything is so clean and tidy and perfect place. And then you said something about your father giving you some idea with how this closes.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can show it down.
If you come this end,
Oh, yeah.
There's to locate the pins that locate the front.
In our common, I think up here.
okay.
Sorry guys.
I
hopefully
need
you
to
can
go
see.
this side. Okay,
Three,
there's
right.
one pin there.
And what's that made from?
It's a ratchet. It's a socket ratchet extension
Okay.
that locates into a socket that's pressed into the bush there.
And that's how we close the bonnet and everything. The hood, obviously for America. Really well. It's really sturdy from what you showed me. It really holds it really well.
It really does hold it in, yeah.
That's really awesome, man.
Inbound suspension as well. Going down the back of the fuel tank.
Wow. Such an
Thanks
amazing
for the
setup,
light.
guys. That's
That's
incredible.
crazy.
Perfect.
Is it Clio 182 calipers on the back?
Okay.
Power light, Wilwood power light, 4 piston calipers on the front.
Okay.
Motorbike fuel cap.
Mobile fuel cap at the front. Yep.
I have to come back the other side.
And then you got to show us the air duct to the side as well, because there's one with a speaker grill, which I thought was pretty incredible. Because you guys are telling us how much you actually use parts that you wouldn't even use more like you on the front. And I think that's really great, really clever.
Let's see if I can actually get that.
It was the old filler neck that we dropped it on the floor one day. Chris picked it up and said that might look cool there as an air intake.
Absolutely.
So we bought another one for the other side, and one's a cold air feed and one of them's just a cooling duct.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Amazing.
It's really cool, guys. Seriously. And maybe we can talk a little bit about this one, because obviously at the start of this, you were speaking over this. Obviously, this
The predecessor.
exactly.
This was
and,
the reason for that.
shall we show them the engine? Because obviously, again,
Mm.
these guys like their power. So
Don't forget the little one on the
oh, the aerial.
on the aerial.
Oh yeah, check
Oh,
out
yeah.
the aerial. That's where it
Micro
came from
machine.
originally.
The original idea.
That is so cool.
Sitting, it actually goes in and out of focus just because it's so tiny.
Oh, no,
There you
that's
go.
so wicked. That's a neat touch. So tell us about this engine. What's going on here? What's been put in?
That's a 1293 Metro Turbo Challenge
Wow. Okay.
competition engine.
And what's
A
been done? There's
competition
lot of stuff.
engine.
Yeah, head's been worked, crank's been done.
There's nothing that hasn't been touched.
Pistons, cam. Everything's been messed with, but it's not done enough miles to turn it right up yet.
Sure, sure. And it could be good for about 200 plus horsepower again.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Incredible.
Straight cut gearbox.
Nice.
Oh,
And I,
I'm
love,
stepping on things here.
and I love how the front as well. That's really cool. The nasty sticks out to let you know there is something definitely happening underneath there, not the original. And can we have a look inside as well? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Roll cage, definitely.
Oh yeah, look at that. Full rear trim. So leather, is it all leather?
All leather, yeah.
Cream leather, and you said Ford seats?
Ford Recaro seats, yeah.
Ford Recaro seats.
Cab quick shift.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, nice touch. Wow, that's an awesome interior. Great job. Speakers as well.
Some mappable ECU as well.
Right, that's incredible. 6x9s on the back, that's a nice touch. That takes me back when I used to have 6x9 before. The interior, obviously, that's nice. Amps in the back,
Oh,
spare wheel.
spare.
That's really cool. Such a great job. And you've had this for how long now, this car?
Bought this.
16 years ago.
16 years.
Yeah.
Look at the condition's incredible. You've really looked after it really well, it's brilliant.
It's been under the cover for the last few years.
Yeah. Well, obviously
It's been
building this
neglected.
one.
Yeah, it's been neglected.
Well, not that badly. It's been neglected, but it looks really fantastic.
Still neat and tidy.
Absolutely.
I'm going to plug this, it's for sale soon.
Once it's for sale, guys, you'll know, and then we'll put the details up. So if any of you guys are interested, drop us a message and we'll pass it on to the boys. But amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for sharing this with us.
No problem.
It's incredible. So full feature coming out soon on the website, and a full vlog video. You'll see some rolling shots. You'll be able to hear this. Crazy. And if you want to see some behind the scenes, come to our Instagram. It's superfly_autos. We'll do some behind the scenes video as well today. So thanks for tuning in. Leave any comments, and thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.